Even Rio's trying to enjoy this treat. Normally he doesn't understand that he's supposed to eat the treat. Oh, the love for a random plant. For its taste and its juicy bugs on it. Don't dig up the plant. Sitting on top of the ground already, don't need to dig it. Hey, Ophelia.
Hi. Hi. Hi, cutie pie. Hi, cutie pie. Spot.
Spot's like, don't bother me, I'm concentrating. Here, I'll move this way, Rio, so you can go over there. I'm really working on trying to give him the space thing so that he might come towards me. I'm actually... Personally, I wish Rio was really, really aggressive towards people. Kind of like my neighbor's chicken. Like, aggressive towards people, but not towards chickens. That way, at least, he would come close to me. But, I mean, like, that's the closest from my foot. Okay, we'll get... Oh, well, he's adorable in his own way. Aren't you, Rio? Ophelia! Ophelia, smile for the camera. Hi! Hi! Meanie. Of course you're gonna stick your butt at me.